you need to drag out anything that you can think of. If you remember that they had a dyslexic brother, you got to leverage off that. That is the way you drop a curse out on a person. I'm telling you, it's gonna work. I've been cursed by every ethnicity group on the planet. The only ones that make me go home to want to dial Dr. Phil on speed dial is when a Bajan tells me that I am a stinking, bullying, cunthole dog. That is what you have to do, okay? So lastly, I don't really want to get that. I had so many topics. People tell me about fashion and man, why they're having stress with their boyfriends, and you know, the men nowadays are having troubles with it. But I want to tell you guys this thing. So I don't want to get too deep because I can talk about relationships another day. But the issue with these men, women, is you're picking the wrong man. For example, you gone in a fete, you gone in a dance, you gone anywhere, clubbing, let's call it, because you know this is international now. You gone clubbing, you see this man in a pink skinny jeans, and you telling me he cute. Red flag. Why is a man in a tight pink skinny jeans tighter than mine? Like, what's that about? Okay. And furthermore, there's some men that just give off suspect vibes to begin with. The same fete you in, you should never ever look at a man when certain songs are coming on and he's dancing to them. That's an automatic red flag. If your man a give you a problem, let him go, and he's waving his hand, my back, my back, my back, my blood clot back, and he's bending down doing the dance. These are suspect things. Lego me man, and he's waving, go down low to Zola, and he's winding down. These are not good things, people. Like, man, don't jump to those kind of songs. You know what I'm saying? When you see Soulja Boy hopped out of the bed, I turn my swag on, and he's whining, and he's not doing his chip, chip, chip move, red flag, people. I'm just telling you, like, there's so much things. You're out. I was in a fete on the weekend. Outside was minus rasshole 20. No lie. And man out there in line with no shirt on, posing. He got to be rascal suspect, cause what he doing in a line naked outside cold? I got on a jacket, tights, socks, pants, I freezing, teeth chattering, and he outside in a t-shirt, nipples hard and posing, and you can look at him and say he cute. He fuck up. Why would he be outside naked in minus 20 rascal weather? I don't. And these are the men wanting to be studying. He cute. He is a shite. Outside is cold. Why are you naked? And the same goes for women. I see people at this fete scream. I don't understand how a costume is turning to horrorism. How you outside in a tights and pooch out. I know some pooch resuscitation had to go on Saturday night, because some girls' botsies were frozen to death. They had to be revived. Because I'm telling you, when the wind licked through my eyelashes, I almost dead. And girls out there naked. I tell myself, what is this world coming to? And that's the next thing. Women, you want to know why you can't get a good man? Because you just lose the merit points. Men just be studying the merit points on a woman. You know, you don't understand this thing. A man will see you for years, you know, and you walking around with a man in skinny jeans and pink pants. You lost 2 demerit points right there. You walking around with an ugly man that horning you, that's 6 demerit points, license gone right there, right then. You're in a dance, get caught fighting over man and tearing off wig. That's a good 5 demerit points. A man ain't gonna look at you and tell himself, man, I want she next week, yeah. He can tell himself, man, she's bare raw, so problems, yeah. Oh, you ain't fucking around, she, God bless, she out here fighting for a man that ain't even she won. You know what I mean? So, people, that's all I really want to get down and say today. I want to keep this video blog short because people cussing me and telling me my video blog is too long, you know. Actually, I just remember something. Some girls were asking me about my hair. So they want to know what type of hair that I use. And you know, I got the weave on cock right here. This is the brand of hair that I use. It's called Nova. Now, this hair is amazing. Now, Chris Rock done kind of fuck up the thing. People thought I was a rascal Douglas, and they've been falling for it now. So I might as well tell you the hair mock. God, like that. So this Nova hair here, it is cheap And it wears well when your hair starts to turn back when you need to get a perm. It is not expensive, yet the right yaki texture, because some of you women feel you got pretty hair. I sorry to tell Wana, you don't have it. It nappy. When you go and put a flat iron in nappy hair, it ain't gonna look so. It can't work. You got to get a perm or you going down the natural road. But don't play you going natural with straight hair. Worst mistake in the world you could ever make, okay? Alright, keeping it short. Anyhow, I gone because I had a busy day. I had a rough week. I get robbed like rasshole. I win money like rasshole. So, you know, it's all in a day's work. We cuss and we grieve back, you know? Gotta tell you, Tarvia, Henry is my new assistant producer. So you have any issues, questions about this blog, direct them to Tarvia. We still recruiting people, you know, we're still recruiting people, man. I still recruiting, so don't worry. Lastly, I wanted to say this, and this is on a very serious note. There is or has been, is so, a group of people, and they know who they are, you know, they peeping on this Razzle video clip right now, you know. They have so much brand gate talk for me. I can't understand how them just see me and them just be quiet. And then them just be somewhere and them all together and then be talking cuntery. Yes, cuntery is the verb to cunt. Cunt is the noun, cuntery is the verb. To be a cunt. Them just be talking cuntery about me. And I can't get this understand. You see me, you have nothing to say. You go out and you have this talk. I let him wanna know I on to Razzle. Wanna just cease the bullshit, because I ain't about it. Because if I see Wanna and I hear the next time somebody say some cuntery about me, I can tell Wanna about Wanna's stinking grandmother big toe that swell up and got gangrene in it. Alright? Good. Anyhow, send me some email to let me know some other topics. Sorry to keep it short. You know, I have to keep it under 10 minutes so it can go on MySpace. I wanted to give a shout out to Amy Lawson, one of my good friends that I grew up with from Foundation. Example of a fighter and greenback. She played at Mowat. I was on West Hill. We hated one another and now we're friends. You know what I mean? So yeah, if you want your shout outs, let me know. All the people in Florida that's talking online with me now, and they're just like, yeah, they want this and that. People in New Zealand, shout out Damien Bab. In Australia, my breads love this man for life. And you know, I have a big announcement next week. I don't want to get too excited, but I'm going to talk about some serious things next week. You guys are going to be shocked with what I got to tell you. I'm going to carry on this conversation about relationship and man, and how to understand which man is who and how and where and how to deal with them, because they're all different culturally and you have to understand the difference. All right, so love you guys. I'm gone. Bye.